Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, we are again here with you with another topic. But before going further, I am going to discuss one thing: what Quran says about life. So, according to the Quran, and He is the one who sends down rain from the sky, causing all kinds of plants to grow, producing green stalks from which we bring forth clustered again, and from palm trees comes cluster of dates hanging within each. There are also gardens of grapes, vines, olives, and pomegranates, similar in shape but dissimilar in taste. Look at their fruits as it yields and ripens. Indeed, in these are signs for who believes. So, dear students, now we'll talk about how our plants and animal cells are different. So first we talk about the basic parts of the cell. So you can see there are three basic pictures which is showing the cell membrane. One is showing you the nucleus and one is showing you the cytoplasm. The main difference between plant cell and animal cell, you can see the plant cell have green pigments which is indicated as a chlorophyll. And you can see there is a picture of an animal cell. I am going to show you the difference between animal and plant cell. In the plant cell, you can see the cytoplasm, both are present in animal cell and plant cell. Nucleus is very much common. Cell membrane is common in both plant and animal cell. Now we'll talk about the difference between simple plant cell. A cellulose cell wall will be present in the simple plant cell. Mitochondrion is present in both the cells. Permanent vacuoles present, but there is a difference in the permanent vacuoles. The vacuole in the plant cell is bigger, and the vacuole which is present in the animal cell, they are small. And the most important part of the plant cell is chloroplast. So we'll discuss the function of chloroplast in detail in further slides. So here I am going to talk about which is only in plant cell, the chloroplast. Plant cells, food factory, cell wall, thick stiff structure, protects and support. Chloroplast is very important and they are going to have a chlorophyll inside and it is in green color. You can see the green plant cell which is having cell membrane, cell wall, chloroplast, chromosomes, cytoplasm, mitochondria, nuclear membrane, nucleus, and vacuole. Now you can see the animal cell, cell membrane, chromosomes, cytoplasm, mitochondria, nuclear membrane, nucleus, and vacuole. The purpose of organelles. So you can see there is a very complex structure of animal cell is shown over here. Organelles maintain the life process of the cell, which includes intake of nutrients, number 2, movements of the cell, growth of the cell, responses of gases, water removal, and reproduction of the cell. Now we'll talk about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm refers to the jelly-like material, organelles in it. It is also very complex. You can see that. And the cytoplasm is present over here, and if the organelle is removed, the soluble part that would be left is called the cystole. It consists mainly of water with dissolved substance such as amino acid in it. Cell wall, it is a stiff non-living wall that surrounds the cell membrane made of cells, protects the cell from injury, gives the plant cell a fixed shape. Cell wall is fully permeable. Nucleus. Nucleus, it is a membrane-bound organelle, spherical in shape, enclosed by the nuclear envelope. Most of the activities of the cell is directed by the nucleus. In other words, we can say that this is the brain of a cell. Nucleolus, dark spot in the middle of the nucleus that helps make ribosomes. Now we'll talk about the ribosomes. Ribosomes are found on the endoplasmic reticulum. Together, they help in manufacturing protein for the cell, following instructions of the nucleus. Very close picture of a plant cell. You can see it is very high power of image which is taken by the microscope. Now you can see the vacuole. Vacuole is a small cavity in the cytoplasm of cell bound by a single membrane and containing water, food or metabolic waste. Now here we are going to talk about the chloroplast. Chlorophyll containing organelles found in cells of green plants and some protists captures light energy and converted it to chemical energy. Here one more picture, you can see the chloroplast. This is supposed to be a chloroplast and this is supposed to be a solar panel of the plant. It means they are going to absorb the sunlight and they are going to absorb the energy from the sun. Once again, I am going to tell you about the cell wall. Cell wall is an additional boundary surrounding the cell of a plant, fungi, bacteria and some protozoan. The cell wall of plant cells is a very tough substance made up of cellulose which support the cells and protect it from injury. The wood of fully grown plants is basically made up of cell wall. Vesicles. Vesicles are organelles that carry materials in and out of the cell. These materials include food particles needed by the cells and waste products secreted by the cell. Now we talk about the similarities between plant cell and the animal cell. Both have a cell membrane surrounding the cytoplasm. Both have a nucleus and both contains mitochondria. So Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.